Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss MEC-203 numericals. So the first question is evaluate limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 8 divided by x minus 2 by method of substitution. So we have taken left hand limit and right hand limit. We can solve by any of which. So in the left hand limit we have let x is equals to 2 minus h as x tends to 2, h tends to 0. We have taken limit h tends to 0. We have substituted instead of x 2 minus h and we have solved. We know the identity a minus b का cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. We have then put the value and solved it. At last we got limit h tends to 0 h square minus 6h plus 12. After substituting value of h as 0, we got value as 12. Similarly on right hand limit we'll put let x is equals to 2 plus h as h tends to 2, h tends to 0. Again we'll solve. We get, after solving all the values, we get limit h tends to 0 h square plus 6h plus 12. When we substitute value we get 12. So their left hand limit equals to right hand limit equals to 12 by any of which method. Now we have to find the value of k so that the given function fx is continuous at x equals to 3. For the function to be continuous at x equals to 3, limit LHL should be equal to RHL should be equal to f of 3. After solving LHL we get 5. Similar procedure that we have done is we'll assume x as 3 minus h and we'll put the values and then solve. At last we get limit h tends to 0, 5 minus 2h. After substituting the value of h we get 5 at LHL. Similarly RHL will assume x is equals to 3 plus h. After putting the value and solving we get limit h tends to 0, 5 plus h. We get value 5. LHL is equals to RHL equals to f of 3 which is equals to k. So k की value आ गई 5. You can see I have done our solution. If you have any doubt, do comment and I'll let, in any step you have any doubt, do comment and I'll explain you again. Now let's find the derivative. So it is y equals to 2 x की power 5 minus 3x. So 2, 5 will come in front, x की power हो जाएगी 5 minus 1 minus 3. Derivative of x should be 1, so it would be 10 x की power 4 minus 3. Here we'll use quotient rule. So by quotient rule we'll do it denominator as it is. Derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator divided by denominator का whole square. After solving we get derivative as minus 2x divided by x square plus 3 का whole square. Now in this also we have to find derivative where y is equal to x divided by x plus 2. So हमने question rule again लगाया which is denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator divided by denominator का whole square. After solving like I have done each step कैसे कैसे derivative निकालना है. If you have in doubt you can ask. I have shown point wise each step is done. We'll get derivative as 2 divided by x plus 2 का whole square. Similarly in fourth part this y is equals to x square divided by x square minus 5. Similarly we have used question rule and we have got the answer after solving is minus 10x divided by x square minus 5 का whole square. Here we have given the value of y as a e to the power mx plus b e to the power minus mx और हमें शो करना है d square y upon dx square, that is double derivative of y function with respect to x should be equals to m square plus 5. So we have done first single derivative. We got this. Double derivative is nothing, derivative of this entire term. After derivating I have like done each and entire step. Finally we got m square bracket a e to the power mx plus b e to the power minus mx which is nothing but y. So we have proved double derivative of y with respect to x is nothing but m square into y. In this question we are given TC 60 plus 12x plus 2 की power x square. AC निकालना, AC is nothing but TC upon x. We have divided and we got 60 by x plus 12 plus 2x and MC is nothing but derivative of total cost which is d of dx of 60 plus 12x plus 2x square which is 12 plus 4x. Now we have to find elasticity of demand function x is equals to 7 minus 2p when p is equals to 1 and p equals to 2. So we know elasticity of demand is nothing but percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. This negative denotes the negative relationship between change in quantity demanded and change in price. So it is delta x upon x into 100 divided by delta p by p into 100, delta denotes change. Then it is minus, similarly delta x upon x into p, delta p by x, that will shift off. After going, it's nothing but dx by dp into p by x. Now we know the demand function. We'll differentiate it with respect to p, and we got minus 2. Now when p equals to 1, we'll put the formula and the values. Since minus minus get cancelled, it's 2 into p is 1, and we have substituted the value of p in the x function. After substituting, we get x equals to 5. So elasticity of demand when price is 1 is 2 by 5. Whereas when p is 2, similarly we'll put the value, we get x as 3, then we put the value in the elasticity of demand and we get 4 by 3. So when p equals to 2, elasticity of demand is 4 by 3. This is also a question where we have to find elasticity of supply function when p equals to 2 and p equals to 4. We know elasticity of supply is percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price, that is nothing but dx s upon dp into p by q. There is a positive relationship between change in price and change in quantity supplied. Now we have supply function, will differentiate with respect to p and we get 4p. When p equals to 4, x is equals to 13 after substituting the value and solving it. Now we'll solve the value of elasticity of supply function, that is 16 after solving 16 by 13. So when p is 2, elasticity of supply is 16 by 13. Similarly when p is 4, we get x as 37. After calculating the value, we get elasticity of supply as 64 by 37. So इधर मोनोपोलिस डिमांड कर्व दे रखा है, p इज इक्वल टू 100 माइनस 2x. मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू निकालना है. मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू के लिए पहले हमें टोटल रेवेन्यू निकालना होगा, विच इज प्राइस इनटू क्वांटिटी. We multiply price into quantity and we get total revenue as 100q minus 2q square. Now for marginal revenue, we'll differentiate 100q minus 2 by q square with respect to q dq. We get mr as 100 minus 4q. Now हमें बताना है कौन सी वैल्यू ऑफ प्राइस पे mr 0 होगा. mr 0 को हम पुट करेंगे 100 माइनस 4q को 0, q की वैल्यू आएगी 25. हमें पता है p इज इक्वल्स टू 100 माइनस 2q, तो हम q की वैल्यू 25 सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे, p की वैल्यू 50 आएगी. तो देयरफॉर एट p इक्वल्स टू 50, mr is equals to 0. हमें बताना है रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन स्लोप ऑफ AR एंड MR. AR is nothing but TR upon Q, which is 100 minus 2Q, and MR is 100 minus 4Q, as we have solved derivative of total revenue. So slope of AR would be minus 2 and slope of MR would be minus 4. So both AR and MR are falling, but MR is falling at a faster rate than AR, as we can see. The next question is the manufacturing cost of an item consists of 6,000 as overhead cost, that is total. ये fixed cost है, material cost है 5 per unit और labor cost है x square plus 6 divided by 60 for x units produced. तो हमने बताना है कितने यूनिट्स हम प्रोड्यूस करें ताकि एवरेज कॉस्ट मिनिमम हो. पहले हम टोटल कॉस्ट निकालेंगे, दैट इज 6,000 प्लस 5x प्लस x स्क्वायर बाय 60. AC निकालने के लिए TC बाय x करेंगे, विच इज 6,000 डिवाइडेड बाय x प्लस 5 प्लस x बाय 60. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर देखो, किसी को भी फंक्शन को अगर हमें मिनिमम करना तो दो कंडीशन पहले, तो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर कंडीशन दैट इज डेरिवेटिव फंक्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स को 0 की इक्वल करना. तो सेकंड ऑर्डर कंडीशन होता है डबल डेरिवेटिव शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर कंडीशन निकालेंगे DAC बाई DX, तो विल गेट माइनस 6,000 डिवाइड बाई एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई 60 इक्वल्स टू 0. इधर वी गेट आफ्टर सॉल्विंग x इक्वल्स टू 600. सेकंड ऑर्डर कंडीशन आफ्टर सॉल्विंग we get 12,000 divided by x cube. So d square AC upon dx को at x equal to 600 would be 12,000 divided by 600 का cube, which is greater than 0. Therefore AC is minimum at x equals to 600. इधर हमें CX दे रखा है, कॉस्ट टोटल कॉस्ट दे रखी है 250 प्लस 0.005x स्क्वायर और TR टोटल रेवेन्यू दे रखा है 4x. हमें बताना है आइटम प्रोड्यूस टू मैक्सिमाइज द प्रॉफिट, फिर मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट. और ठीक है, दो ही चीज़ें बतानी है. पहला पार्ट में देखो प्रॉफिट होता है TR माइनस T से, टोटल रेवेन्यू माइनस टोटल कॉस्ट. टोटल रेवेन्यू है 4x माइनस टोटल कॉस्ट है 250, ठीक है, माइनस 0.005x स्क्वायर. देन वी डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, वी गेट 4 माइनस 0.01x इक्वल्स टू 0 फर्स्ट ऑर्डर कंडीशन के लिए. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग वी गेट x इक्वल्स टू 400. फॉर मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट द सेकंड ऑर्डर कंडीशन शुड बी del square pi upon del square x should be less than 0 for maximum profit. After solving it, we get minus 0.01, which is less than 0. So profit is maximum at x equals to 400. Now we'll find the maximum profit. So pi is nothing but 4x minus 250 minus 0.005 की power x square. We'll put x as equals to 400, and after that solving we'll get pi, that is profit is equal to 550 rupees. देखो कॉर्ब डगलस फंक्शन दे रखा है क्यू की इज इक्वल टू ए के की पावर अल्फ़ा एल 1 माइनस अल्फ़ा वेयर अल्फ़ा इज़ फ्रॉम 0 to 1. हमें शो करना है ये होमोजीनियस फंक्शन ऑफ डिग्री 1. तो हम लेट करेंगे के को लैम्डा के और एल को लैम्डा एल. न्यू के डैश विल बी ए लैम्डा के की पावर अल्फ़ा लैम्डा एल की पावर 1 माइनस अल्फ़ा. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग एंड टेकिंग लैम्डा आउटसाइड, लैम्डा की पावर 1 ए के अल्फ़ा एल 1 माइनस अल्फ़ा. वी हैव सॉल्व्ड इट लाइक each step. Then the k dash would be nothing lambda की power 1 into q. So it is a homogeneous function of degree 1. So देखो हमने शो करना है कि मार्जिनल एवरेज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इनपुट ऑफ के एन एल डिपेंड ऑन द रेशियो ऑफ के बाय एल. तो प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन है q इज इक्वल्स टू ए के की पावर अल्फ़ा एल की पावर 1 माइनस अल्फ़ा. सो एम पी के इज़ नथिंग बट डी क्यू बाई डी के विच इज़ ए अल्फ़ा के की पावर अल्फ़ा माइनस 1 एल की पावर 1 माइनस अल्फ़ा विच इज़ ए अल्फ़ा के बाय एल की पावर अल्फ़ा माइनस 1. ए पी के इज़ नथिंग बट क्यू बाई के which is a k की पावर अल्फ़ा माइनस 1 एल की पावर 1 माइनस अल्फ़ा नथिंग बट a k बाई एल की पावर अल्फ़ा माइनस 1. सिमिलरली एम पी एल इज़ नथिंग बट डी क्यू बाई डी एल विच इज़ a 1 माइनस अल्फ़ा k बाई एल की पावर अल्फ़ा. सिमिलरली ए पी एल इज़ नथिंग बट a k बाई एल की पावर अल्फ़ा. Therefore both MP marginal product and average product AP of K and L depend on K by L ratio, that is capital labor ratio, as proved above. To show elasticity of substitution is unity, that is 1. Elasticity substitution is nothing but d log K by L divided by d log MRTS LK, that is percentage change in K by L divided by percentage change in MRTS, which is nothing but MPL into MPK divided by MPLK into Q. So MPLK is nothing but d square Q by DL into DK, that is d of DK of MPL. We have already proved the value of calculated the value of MPL in above case, so we'll differentiate d by dk into value of MPL, that is a 1 minus alpha k की power alpha l की power minus alpha. So we get MPLK as a 1 minus alpha k की power alpha minus 1 l minus alpha. We'll substitute the value of MPL, MPK, MPLK as we calculate upon Q. MPL and MPK we have already solved in part 2. After substituting, and all the values will cut and we'll get equals to elastic substitution equals to 1, hence proof. Thank you guys. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment which next topic you want me to prepare a video for you guys, and do comment if you have any doubt in any step of any question. You can comment and I'll explain it again. Thank you. Do subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe my channel.